Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice hard tri-fold tonneau cover with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear with a nice gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, some wood accents. We have floor mats with a carpeted interior. We got some cup holders, rear vents, 12 volt, and 110. We of course do get our nice cup holders and arm space by just sliding that in, which is pretty freaking handy, and a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get a powered driver's seat, as well as the passenger with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, with memory seating for up to 3 drivers, powered door mirrors, the wood paneling up front, spotlights, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 163,741 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice and phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. You have your tow and haul in sport mode with some storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, and it does close for that nice wood paneling. You also do get sync as well, storage in the glove compartment. We got our trailer brake, trailer backup, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 110. More wood paneling on the dash with storage below, storage above with a Sony sound system. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. Here we have our traction, hazards, auto stop, auto start, and we get navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, Sirius XM, all that jazz. You get your climate controls up here or down there, whatever you really prefer. Phone, navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here with your Sirius XM travel link, and your settings, 911 assist, display. You can change your ambient lighting, voice control, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA63971A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.